Hi everyone, Wonia Thibault here with Buckskin Revolution, giving you more great ideas of how to support health and wellness for yourself and your loved ones during the time of the coronavirus. Right now, I'm in the middle of putting together a bunch of care packages to send to my loved ones in my life who are in the higher risk categories. Let's start with this fabulous thing that I think everyone should have on hand and be taking regularly, regardless of what's going on in the world. But this is an immunity tea blend. And this specifically has a lot of mushrooms that are great for boosting immunity. Also adaptogens that help our body respond well to stressors and, face whatever challenges might come our way. And then also some delicious liver cleansing herbs. So it's a fabulous blend. This one is a blend that a friend of mine came up with that I cannot release to the public, I'm afraid. Fabulous, great with a little bit of milk, awesome for supporting health all the time. So that goes in the box. And then I'm also including an essential oil diffuser. There are a lot of wonderful essential oils and a lot of them have antibiotic, antimicrobial, and antiviral properties. So I am including two different blends. One is called Thieves Oil, and Thieves Oil is named that way because it is supposedly one that thieves who were looting bodies during the plague would anoint themselves with and never got sick. In amongst plague-killed people, and it didn't affect them. So that, is a long time legend. It may or may not be true, but it's certainly true that there are a lot of herbs in here that have antibacterial and antiviral properties. So I'm giving this with a diffuser and suggesting that my relatives use it in their homes a few times a day, just so they have these antiviral components in the air and landing on surfaces. So should any virus have come into their homes, this is more likely to kill it off. And then also for adding to sanitizing sprays and hand soap and lotions and hand sanitizers. So great thing to have on hand. I have a video talking about making this as well, this particular blend. And then also I'm including a respiratory blend. Now the respiratory blend is specifically if they should get sick. And this is going to be good for any respiratory condition, not just coronavirus, but these are oils that are specifically antiviral and also that are going to be really good at expectorating, breaking up mucus, helping get it out of the body, right? Because that's one of the mechanisms of corona that's so dangerous, is that thick snot that happens in the lungs that makes it hard to breathe. So this has sage, eucalyptus, and rosemary, all really strong herbs, culinary herbs for sage and rosemary. And I'm suggesting that they use this in some hot water with a towel over the head to breathe it in, and that will get these lovely essential oils right to the lungs where they're needed most. One could also use this in the diffuser or mix it into hand sanitizers or what have you. So great to have around, but this one is more specifically for breathing in than the other blend. And then I have hand sanitizer. So this is a spray with at least 60% alcohol. So somewhere between 60 and 75% alcohol is going to be the most effective hand sanitizer. And then I've also added some of the Thieves Oil to this. And how I'm suggesting this get used is everything that comes into the home, whether it be the mail or from grocery shopping or other goods that come into the home, spraying every surface of everything that comes into the home with this, and spraying door handles, light switches, faucets, and that kind of thing regularly. Anything that the hands are touching regularly, this is going to help kill off any virus that comes its way. And then we have our herbal medicines. So I have a variety of different things for both boosting immune function and supporting the immune system, and to help the body should it get sick. So I have a variety of different herbs that have some antiviral properties. Now this doesn't mean that they are like, taking an antibiotic in Western medicine. It means that they have different actions that are going to help the body to fight off the virus. So I have some elderleaf decoction. I have the Corona Core formula developed by Stephen Herod Buhner. I have an immune boosting tonic, and then I have something specific for supporting the lungs in times of stress. So these are helpful medicines. I'm going to be packaging all of this stuff really well. I'm going to be doing it with gloves, spraying things down before I pack it, and then suggesting that they spray it down when it comes into their homes, just in case it meets contamination between here and its destination. So thank you so much, everyone. May you be healthy and well. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications so you know when I have new things coming out, and check out my website and consider supporting me on Patreon.